The Central Committee of the Karbi Students and Youth Council, KYSC, had on Sunday conducted its general election for new president and general secretary. Here is a report. The election was conducted in the organization's head office in Dipu around 12:30 in the afternoon. Members of the CEC as well as president and secretary from its 4 regional committees came to cast their vote. In the election, Sanjay Timung was elected as president without contest. On the other hand, Jiwan Bey and Bohiram Inghi contested for the post of general secretary. After the counting of votes, Jiwan Bey was declared victorious and he will serve as the new general secretary. Both the newly elected office bearers of the organization had pledged to work with sincerity to take KYSC ahead. They said that KYSC had always stood for the cause of the society and will continue to do so, with collaboration and support from all its members and other social bodies.
Nilitum pini ladak election kapatinang kok lage nitum constitution ateng si patinang lo nilitum indeng po pinian indeng po anang kelilo indeng po along nitum cepate ben rang ben presiden along gen nili si thudun lo nili thudun pen nil long cepate don abang pen pen nili si pini haipon lo uncontest pen pini nitum haipon lo kasi kewanggilang hampang song dopik karbiang long KSC penceng lo KFA kadua betum benta nilitum kami klem pon jia fansi nilitum cisik pon po
mane cisong rapet klem na rapet
dam rapet po
Nili long nang ci contest dun alang li hi sang ho bu alang li ben buhiraming hi ase alang li phanta churo lo nilitum klem rapet dam rapet ji labang so kilik nilitum cipate po fisi dami nilitum kaya teng kaya mang asum si nilitum labang so song nilitum do thipen karbia khai ki sungalong kupi malong ke nilitum klem rapet dam rapet ji pusi alang li pen si dami nilitum ning chichor.
Sanjay Timung had earlier served as vice president while Jiwan Bey was serving in the post of AGS. News report Longsodar Inti, Karbing Long Live.